welcome back everyone over here. It's been a quite while talking to you guys. So how's everything going on? How did you adjust yourself in your new academic life, and especially to all the new 11th graders out there, like even I'm one of them. Like it's definitely a huge change for us from moving from 10th to 11th. Everything new, environment, new friends, new syllabus, everything completely different. We'll have a huge syllabus jump compared to 10th and 11th. So let me know how is it going with you guys, how's your preparation going on and everything. I'll update you how is my preparation going on and how am I adjusting myself in this new academic year. So as you can see here, new month, it's July. Already our school started in June itself. I told you that in my previous video, first day of 11th grader. Yeah, that was my previous video. Do check it out if you didn't watch it yet. So it's new month and I got up with bullet journaling. It's been many days that I'm not consistent in doing this bullet journaling. So for some reason I thought I have to start this again. So I started doing this decor. I'm not so expert doing all those. Even if I have all those scrapbooking items, I don't think so I'll be doing like all those professional YouTubers, like how satisfying it'll be to watch it, but I'm not so good at this. So then if I have to tell about how's everything going with me, then it's been 20 days that I'm going to school for now, and we also have our PT1 exams coming up this month. And if you ask how's everything going, then I'll be like, yeah, fine, okay, pretty. Because I don't know, like I just feel like 10th days were more better, easy, good, enjoyable. Now it's not like that, it's hard. Yeah, I do really miss my 10th friends because we're not in the same college, same school anymore, like but still we keep on talking to each other. Adjusting ourselves in the new environment, coping up with the studies, in which 11th we gradually have a lot of syllabus change compared to 10th. We need to keep up more efforts to cope up with our studies in 11th. So it is definitely hard. I just feel like, to be honest guys, if any 10th grader is watching this video, just enjoy your 10th life. And consistently you study consistently and do enjoy your 10th life, because it's never gonna come back again. Those will be the most best memories of your life, believe me. So I just want to go back to 10th. I don't know why. Now looking at all those 10th syllabus, those chapters, I feel like I want to write the exam again. I want to appear for boards again. Like now I've started feeling 10th very easy and 11th I started feeling hard. So it's natural, of course, but yeah, it's hard for me. I don't know how you all guys are feeling in 11th. Many of them will be happy, maybe like becoming seniors, like that maybe. But for me it was like 10th life was better, but still life is going and we need to move on. So I started slowly adjusting into the new environment, making new friends and all. Actually in this video I'll be showing something and I'll be talking something. This video main intention is to interact with you guys as it's been many days. So actually get back into the video now. Here I was studying structure of atom, gave NCERT reading and made some notes from it. And then I ordered few reference books from Oswaal. If you guys were following me the past year, you may know that even for 10th grade I used Oswaal as my reference books. They were really helpful for my boards too. So even in 11th grade I thought they'll be helpful, and I just ordered them for all the 4 subjects: maths, chemistry, physics and English, of course. So I'll also show you like each and every detail, why are they really helpful. You can check the first chapter here. Like for every topic separate revision notes will be given. That's the feature I really like, because all the topics will not be given at once. The topic, the revision notes, and even these mind maps, which are damn helpful for quick glance of the chapter. We also have subjective type of questions, objective type of questions, NCERT corner, most important NCERT exemplar questions and all those. So I felt this book is really helpful. Even you may check it out if you like it. So you can see here. So now I'll also show you what's in chemistry. So even you can see here some basics concepts of chemistry is our first chapter, the mind map. For chemistry, like I feel the mind maps are the best because we'll have a whole lot of formulas to remember and all. So just looking at the mind map, you can just get a clear glance of the chapter. And then you can see here, even in chemistry, we have topic wise notes, revision notes, and questions, subjective questions and objective questions. This is physics. Physics, the first chapter is units and measurements, as you all know. So here in physics we have keywords. They'll also give you some commonly made error, some tips to answer, important formulas, notes, everything at one page. That's really helpful. So English, in all these books I literally liked English because I'll even show you why. So we'll have all the literature part from both the textbooks, supplementary and prose textbook, and also the grammar, which is really helpful. We'll have many unseen passages to solve, and these grammar charts, they are damn helpful because we just can't go through the whole grammar textbook, or we just can't do that before exam, right? These grammar charts I felt really helpful after seeing them. So you can also see here the posters. We have a whole lot of examples to solve, and even we have literature part. You can see even for literature, because in grade 11 what happens is we won't keep much interest in English because we'll be preparing for our main subjects, which is MPC or BPC. But when you can't read the whole English textbooks, then you can read these revision notes, which will be really helpful. So if you like Oswaal books, then you can purchase from the link given in the description box below. And then let's get back into the video. So yeah, we thought of going out evening for some shopping actually. So, and I ended up here. Obviously, we'll be interested in shopping, roaming outside, having food outside. We'll always be interested in that. And I also got myself few outfits, and I was able to share only one of the pic with you guys. And then after I got back to home, I started writing English notes. These are supplementary lesson 1 notes, the summer of the beautiful white horse. So just like how we used to do in our grade 10, same like that, our teachers are sending us English notes PDF and we have to write it down. Yeah, so English we completed chapter 1, the portrait of the lady, 1 poem, and also supplementary lesson 1. We have to start grammar now. Let me know until where you guys went in your syllabus. So let's keep a track of each other and start improving ourselves and to be the best version of ourselves. And then dessert at the end of the day, yummy. When I went out, I just got this for me. Yummy, right? Yeah, even I liked it. So bye, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Comment me below what should be our next video. Bye.